Now, children, today let's start with chapter number 9, Evaluation of Artificial Intelligence. So, in this chapter, I will tell you about AI. So, since ancient times, humans have been trying to make their lives easier by innovating different machines. Humans क्या कर रहे हैं अपने लाइफ को क्या बना रहे हैं easier बना रहे हैं और वो क्या कर रहा है innovate कर रहे हैं is different machines. So, while creating these machines, he reached a certain stage when these machines were not capable enough to handle certain tasks without a. So these machine need to think, and this sparked the revolutionary idea for making machine capable of thinking from there. So human have been studying process, and let's look at some of the achievements in the last century. The journey to understand the if machine could truly think began much before John McCarthy first academic corpus. And whenever Bush seminal work we will think, he proposed system which amplifies people our knowledge and understand. Now, maturation of artificial intelligence. So, year 1943, first work which now recognized as AI was done by Warren M.C. Nuclear and Walter Pitts in 1943. इन्होंने एक मॉडल ऑफ आर्टिफिशियल न्यूरॉन्स क्या करा प्रपोज करा 49 में डोनाल्ड हैव डेमोन्स्ट्रेटेड अपडेटिंग रूल ऑफ मॉडिफाइंग कनेक्शन स्ट्रेंथ बिटवीन न्यूरॉन्स और उसने क्या करा ही हिज रूल इज नाउ कॉल्ड हैबियन इसको अब हैबियन लर्निंग कहते हैं. In 1960, Alan Turing, English mathematician and pioneered machine learning in 1960, he was a publisher, Computing Machine to an Intelligence, in which he proposed a test, and the test can check machine ability to exhibit intelligent behavior equivalent to human intelligence, जिसे हम टर्निंग टेस्ट करते. Now, 1951, Marvin Minsky and Dakin Edmonds created an initial artificial neural network named SNARAC. They utilized 3,000 vacuum tubes to mimic a network of 40 beamer. Now the birth of artificial intelligence. Birth कैसे हुआ artificial intelligence का 1952 में हुआ 1956 तक चला. इससे क्या होगा 52 आर्थर सैमुअल पायनियर्ड द क्रिएशन ऑफ सैमुअल चेकर्स मतलब प्लेइंग प्रोग्राम्स जिसमें उन्होंने वर्ल्ड की फर्स्ट सेल्फ लर्निंग प्रोग्राम फॉर प्लेइंग गेम्स बनाया. Next in year 1955, Alan Neville and Herbert A. Simon, he created first artificial intelligence program, which was named as Logic Theorist. This program has proved 38 to 52 of the mathematician theorem, and they find new and more elegant proofs for some theorems. Year 1956, artificial intelligence was adopted by American scientist John McCarthy and Dartmouth Conference, and AI coined as an academic field. ठीक है, AI को लाया गया academic field. Now at that time, high-level computer language such as Fortran, Flips और COBOL were invented. और इससे क्या हुआ है enthusiasm आया AI में. I was very high at that. The golden years, early enthusiasm. So we can say that in year 1958, during this period, Frank Rosenblatt introduced Perceptron, one of the early artificial neural network, जिसकी ability थी to learn from that. और जो इन्वेंशन हुआ उससे क्या हुआ फाउंडेशन हुआ मॉडर्न न्यूरल नेटवर्क्स, राइट. एंड जॉन मैकार्टी डेवलप्ड द लिप्स प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज विच स्विफ्टली फाउंड फेवर विद एआई कंपनी, ठीक है, विच इज बिकमिंग हाईली पॉपुलर अमंग द डेवलपर्स, जो बहुत ज्यादा पॉपुलर हो रही है अमंग द डिफरेंट डेवलपर्स. नाउ 1959, आर्थर सैमुअल क्रेडिट इंट्रोड्यूसिंग द फ्रेज मशीन लर्निंग इन pivotal paper in which he proposed that computer could be programmed to surpass their creators in performance. And additionally, Oliver Selfridge made a notable contribution to machine learning. जब इसने किसका publication करा? Endomonium, a paradigm for LERT. Now in 1964, if we talk about during this time, doctoral candidate at MIT, Daniel Bobrow created student one of the early program, natural language processing, NLP लेके आए with specific purpose of solving algebra word problem. Year 1965, initial expert system Dentrel was devised by Edward Fangwin, Bruce G. Buchman, Joshua Landberg, and Carter Desresi. It aided programming chemists in identifying unfamiliar organic compounds. Year 1966, if we talk about, in this year, researchers emphasized developing algorithm. जिन्होंने mathematical problem solve करी, and Joseph Weizenbaum, what he created? First chat box in 1966, which was named as ELIZA, and Stanford Research Institute created Psyche. Right? Next is 1968, Terry Wingold developed Sheldo, which was a pioneering multimodal capable of following user instruction to manipulate and reason with word of blocks. 1969, Arthur Brayson and Yuchi, he outlined a learning algorithm, जिसे हम back propagation कहते हैं, which enabled the development of multi-layer artificial neural net. Right? What happened educationally? जो मार्विन मिन्स्की है और सेम्योर पैरपट authored है the book Perceptrons, which educated the constant a basic neural net. Year 1972, पहला आपका इंटेलिजेंट ह्यूमनॉइड रोबोट जापान में बिल्ड हुआ था, जिसका नाम है वेबॉट 1. एंड ईयर 73, जेम्स लेकहिल, he published reported title Artificial Intelligence, a journal survey resulting in substantial reduction in the British government's backing for AI. The first AI winter. So we can say the initial AI winter occurring from 1970 to 1980 is known as tough period of artificial intelligence. During this time, there was a substantial decrease in research funding and AI faced a sense of letdown. So what happened duration between year 1970 to 1980 was the first AI winter duration, which refers to the time period where the computer science had that dealt with the severe shortage of funding from the government. During AI winters, an interest for publicity on artificial intelligence was decreased. Right? Now, a boom of AI between 1980 and 1987, AI underwent the renaissance and refound the variety after challenging era of first AI winter. So, here are some notable occurrences from this time period. From 1980, the first National Conference of American Association was held. कहाँ held हुई थी? Stanford University. If we talk about year 1980, AI winter duration, AI come back with an expert system. एक expert system के साथ वो वापस आता है.